Welcome to solverfy.
Limiting reagent is the initial reactant that produces the smaller quantity of product. And it's important to go through the stoichiometric calculations rather than just looking at inspection because it's not always the reactant that is present in smaller quantities. So we have to take into account our stoichiometrically equivalent ratios. So if we look at this example where we say that the blue molecules are A2 and the green molecules are B2, and the reaction we're looking at is A2 plus B2 makes AB3. We need to balance the equation to look at our stoichiometric equations. And so to balance it, there's a 2 here and a 3 here. And so this gives us our mole ratios for those. So if we have 3 moles of A2, we should figure out how many moles AB will form, AB3. And we do that using the equation from the balanced equation, the ratios. This tells us that for every 1 mole of A2, we'll form 2 moles of AB3. So if I have 3 moles A2, I'll produce 2-to-1 ratio. Or 6 moles of product. If I have 6 moles B2, I can calculate how many moles of AB I should produce from that. The equation tells me for every 3 moles of B2, I should produce 2 moles of AB3. So if I have 6 moles B2, I'll produce 2 moles AB3 for every 3 moles B2, or 4 moles of product. So when we compare our 2 amounts of products, we can see that B2 produces less. So that means that B2, even though there's more of it, is the limiting reagent. And it should produce 4 moles of product.